Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School. Dear students, we have finished in Moral Science Unit 1 to 8 for Sem 1. But in this situation, we did not arrange the Moral Science exam in Semester 1. So, altogether 1 to 16 chapter we will arrange in Sem 2 as an annual exam. Okay बच्चे, I hope you finished 1 to 8 chapter exercises in your notebook. So बच्चे, write carefully. Today we will start Sem 2 Unit 1 as a chapter 9. Tomorrow never comes. Do you know? We already suffered our day yesterday and today and tomorrow. So, today is a Saturday. Yesterday was Friday and tomorrow is a Sunday. As per that, in that chapter, we should understand that tomorrow never comes. Very good story, Lord Shiva and his son Ganesha. So, बच्चे, let's start. Tomorrow never comes. Work must always be done on time. It should never be put off until the next day. Many times, all our subjective teachers send PDF itself, but you did not finish on time and you leave for tomorrow next day. Then it's already left and you complain, teacher, our PDF was not there, what to do? But your duty to complete your work on time. Okay बच्चे, take care, don't leave for tomorrow. Everyday work you finish on your proper time. So let's understand in this chapter the story about Shiva and Ganesha. Work must always be done on time. It should never be put off until the next day. The habit of waiting for tomorrow is a sure sign of laziness. We becoming lazy and lazy. So, complete your work on time. Don't leave for tomorrow. There is a popular saying, yesterday is a cancelled check, tomorrow is a promissory note, today is ready cash. Spend wisely. Yesterday we returned check. The bank owners did not accept today. Today's check they sign. Okay बच्चे, so this popular saying, yesterday is a cancelled check, tomorrow is a promissory note, today is ready cash. So spend wisely. Everyday work finish on time. One fine day, Ganesh approached Shiva and said, Dad, it is high time for me to get married. He talked with his dad. Shiva, do you know? Shiva has two sons, Ganesha and Kartikeya. So Ganesh asked his dad, it is high time for me to get married. He wants to marry. So he gave question to his dad. Please find me a bride and arrange my marriage. I have been insisting for long yet you never take it seriously. He wants to marry, So he asked his father, "Today I want you to give in writing." कहते मैं आपको राइटिंग में बताता हूँ. So he give notes so that you don't change your mind. It was too difficult for Shiva to answer this question. Ganesha told his dad he wanted to give written note. So therefore Shiva can't forget. It really put him in a shock because it was not very easy to find a suitable match for his elephant. Do you know his son Ganesha having, look here बच्चे, his face was a elephant, as a elephant, so very difficult to find out for him as a match for his elephant trunk. So Shiva confused and he give a note. Ganesha, the son of Shiva, will be married on tomorrow. What they said? That Ganesha, the son of Shiva, married on tomorrow. Shiva write and give to his son Ganesha. Do you know? For this sentence we understand tomorrow never comes. Okay बच्चे, we will see this further story in our next video. Take care, stay home, stay safe.